Have you ever wondered how technology could revolutionize your creativity? Embrace creative freedom with AI image creation. Let's explore the incredible benefits that await you. 1. Enhanced accessibility. Break free from budget constraints. AI makes advanced technology accessible to all. 2. Time-saving efficiency. Revolutionize content creation with quick, high-quality visuals, saving precious time. 3. Cost-effectiveness. Say goodbye to pricey professionals. AI offers an affordable solution for all your creative needs. 4. Unleashing creativity and inspiration. Spark new ideas with AI-generated content, providing fresh perspectives for your social media, blogs, and marketing materials. 5. Customization and flexibility. Tailor AI-generated content to your liking, aligning perfectly with your branding guidelines. 6. Learning opportunities. Dive into AI technology, using it as a learning platform to enhance your understanding of design principles. 7. Rapid prototyping. Visualize and test ideas swiftly with AI, a valuable tool for testing new designs or content strategies. And there you have it, AI image creation unlocking a new realm of possibilities for your creativity. Let's dive into the future of creativity and start our exploration with Bing Image Creator. What is actually Bing Image Creator? With the help of a new AI tool called Microsoft Bing Image Creator, users may generate images from text descriptions. What is even more amazing about the Bing Image Creator is, it is completely free, which lets users be able to access and utilize its sources easily. One of the most sophisticated AI models for picture production, OpenAI's DALL-E 2 model, powers it. Bing Image Creator can create imaginative and realistic images based on a variety of prompts, such as abstract ideas, particular objects, or even whole settings. Bing Image Creator is an excellent tool for rapidly producing visual information. From within the Bing search engine, users may create both written and graphic content in one location. Those who need to produce visual material but lack the time or money will find the tool very helpful. Secrets behind the way that Bing Image Creator functions. A neural network is used by Bing Image Creator to interpret text descriptions and produce images that correspond to them. The neural network learns the association between images and text by being trained on a large dataset of both. A neural network that can create visuals from textual descriptions is called the DALL-E model. It generates new images depending on the relationships it learns between written descriptions and matching images. Reasons to get into the habit of using Bing Image Creator. Examining Bing Image Creator's benefits is crucial for a number of reasons. Variety of image sources. Using Bing's vast image collection, Bing Image Creator offers a wealth of varied images for your artistic endeavors. More complex search filters. With the help of the tool's sophisticated search filters, you can locate photos that match your text by selecting ones with particular characteristics. The license for Creative Commons. By emphasizing photos with Creative Commons licenses, Bing Image Creator makes it simple to comply with copyright laws and facilitates the lawful use and sharing of content. Connectivity with Microsoft Office. Easily incorporate Bing Image Creator photos into Microsoft Office programs to improve productivity and streamline workflow. AI-driven visual search. Save time and increase your creative options by using AI-powered visual search skills to find visually comparable images. Bing Image Creator is a useful tool for improving your creative projects and optimizing your workflow because it has an intuitive design, a large image resource, and strong functionality. Important Bing Image Creator characteristics. Bing Image Creator comes with a variety of options, such as generating images with Bing Image Creator, utilizing algorithms and text-to-image technologies for personalized visuals. Tailoring your photos with Bing Image Creator. Personalize your images by describing them in your own terms. Diverse image options with Bing Image Creator. Explore various possibilities as Bing Image Creator generates diverse photos. Perfecting photo sizes with Bing Image Creator. Set the ideal aspect ratio for your photos with this versatile tool. Enhanced creativity. Additional features in Bing Image Creator. Utilize image weights and negative prompts for a customized image creation process. There are a wide range of possible uses for Bing Image Creator in many fields, such as education, creating instructional resources including concept maps, flowcharts, and drawings. Design, generating designs for products, websites, and creative ventures. Marketing, producing marketing materials such as email campaigns, social media posts, and product images. Art, innovative artistic expressions that include digital images, paintings, and sculptures. Areas for development of provided facilities by Bing Image Creator. Bing Image Creator has several significant drawbacks. First of all, prompts are limited to 380 characters, although users can use the chat tool to provide more in-depth explanations. Furthermore, the program does not have any editing capabilities, thus users cannot modify the created images. It also doesn't have any pre-programmed prompt alternatives, which could make it harder to write appropriate descriptions. Bing Image Creator provides artists with minimal copyright protection. It mainly relies on artist complaints to impose access restrictions on their work. How should account setup be for the proper use of Bing Image Creator? 1. Visit and sign in to the Bing Image Creator. The Bing Image Creator is accessible without Microsoft Edge, in contrast to Bing Chat. To access the picture generator and log into your Microsoft account, simply go to bing.com/create and click on Join and Create. 2. Type in your prompt. Next, give the image you want Bing to make for you a description. As with employing an AI chatbot, provide as much detail as you can to guarantee an accurate response. Click Create once you've typed your prompt into the text field. 3. Examine your outcomes. When your photos are prepared, it's time to review the outcomes. For every prompt, DALL-E and Bing's Image Creator will usually show 4 created photos. They're not always perfect though, as free AI picture generators are frequently not sophisticated enough to produce genuinely lifelike images. As a result, you might notice certain inaccuracies in fine details, such as the placement of a person's fingers or eyes or computer keyboard keys. 4. Get your pictures or images and use them offline by downloading them. I choose to download the image below after browsing the created images. An image can be expanded to provide options to share, save to your account, download, and leave feedback by just clicking on it. Notably, you have the option to download some, all, or none of the pictures.